Hi everyone, I want to share our automatic tracking and positioning monitor. This is control box. This is horizontal rotation motor. This is vertical rotation motor. This is camera. This is straight and fog motor. Here is remote control unit. Here is monitoring screen. Here is flame detector. Let's demonstrate automatic process. We mount the monitor at a height of 12 meters. Fire pit is 50 meters from the monitor. Light the fire. The monitor will start with a horizontal rotation. Then it will adjust its pitch. It will look for the source of the fire, accurately finding the source of the fire. Then the control system issues commands. Open the valve. The cannon will start spraying. And finally putting out the flames accurately.